Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Naratu Failasafa Azahra from IMAP 9. I will present the IMAP consort checklist full text. Okay, number 1A and number 1B in the page of 260 is randomized clinical trial in the title, and 1B, the abstract. The methods consist of design, setting, participant, intervention, and main outcomes. Okay. About introduction, 2A and 2B, scientific background and explanation of rationale, and 2B, specific objective or hypothesis. In 264. Okay, this is the 2A and 2B. So, cervical cancer leads to high morbidity and mortality in low-income and middle-income countries. Testing of high-risk human papillomavirus has been proven to be effective in screening for cervical cancer. As prospective trials outside China have demonstrated the increased effectiveness of HPV-based screening compared with cytology. The World Health Organization proposed an intermediate target toward elimination of cervical cancer, screening of 70% of women this age. Okay, number 2B. This trial was designed to evaluate the screening performance, cost effectiveness, and service system capacity of HR-HPV-based screening when carried out in primary healthcare settings. Okay, next, number 3A and 3B about trial design. I can find 3B, so 3A, description of trial design. 3A. This is multi-center randomized clinical trial protocol and supplement. Okay, next, for participant eligibility criteria for participant for A, and for B, setting and location. This is for A, woman age 35 to 64 years, eligible if they had no history of cervical cancer or hysterectomy, had no current pregnancy, could understand the study procedure, and voluntarily participate. And for 4B, women who live in village or sub-district were enrolled from each site. Okay, for that, the next one is intervention. 5. Number 5, intervention. Okay, this is from this to this. At baseline, women were randomly assigned to cytology, HPV testing, or visual inspection with acetic acid and Lugol iodine for rural only. Women who test positive for HPV were randomized into cytology triage, PFD triage rural only, or direct colposcopy arms. This, okay. Number 5, done. Okay, outcomes 6A. Completely defined pre-specified primary and secondary outcomes measures, including how and when they were assessed. And 6B. Any change to trial outcomes after the trial comment with recent. Okay. I cannot find 6B, 6A. The primary outcomes were CIN2 plus and CIN3 plus yields. The secondary outcome was colposcopy referral rate. Okay. Move on to sample size. Okay, sample size. How sample size was determined, 7A, and when applicable, the guidelines. Okay, this 7A sample size estimation was based on comparison of CIN2 plus yield at baseline. Okay, this. Okay, and 7B, reported p-values were two-sided. Okay, this is the explanation. Okay, we move on to randomization sequence and generation. 8A, method used to generate the random allocation sequence. Okay. 8B, type of randomization, such as blocking and block size. The random allocation program was generated by statisticians in the Cancer Hospital of Chinese Academy of Medical Science and re-embedded in an access registration database to send to each site. And then the 8B, okay, this is a ratio block site. Urban women were assigned to HRSG genotyping or cytology arms at ratio. Okay, this is the 8B. But details. Okay, allocation 9, mechanism used to implement the random allocation sequence. Describing any steps taken to conceal the sequence until intervention were assigned. Okay, this participants and staff were not masked to randomization. Implementation number 10. Who generated the random allocation sequence, who enrolled participant, and who assigned participant to intervention? Who? Okay. Yes, all procedures were performed by trained local physician. Okay. Number 11, blinding. Blinding 11A. If done, who was blinded after assignment to intervention, and how? Even 11A and where is it? Sorry. 264. Okay, open label. The blinding is open label. Okay. Statistical methods. 12A, statistical method used to compare groups for primary and secondary outcomes. And then this 12. 12B, methods for additional analysis, such as subgroup analysis and edges analysis. Okay, this is 12A. AX test was performed to compare proportion, and 12B. For women lost to follow-up, the demographic and baseline results were compared between arms, and no significant difference were found between women who were followed up. Okay, 12 done. And we're gonna move on to results. Participant flow. 13A. For each group, the number of participants who were randomly assigned, and 30B for each group losses and exclusion after randomization together with reason. This 13A, a total of this woman who randomly allocated and completed a primary screening. Okay, in urban site and were allocated to cytology. And ini for testing in rural site. Okay, this is the 13B. An investigation of the effects of missing outcomes for women to lose follow-up at the 24-month screening. We found a similar pattern to that shown in table 2 and table 2 in the comparison of the arms primary secondary outcomes. Table 2. Yes, this is table 2. Okay, recruitment 14A and 14B. That's defining of errors, recommend and follow up. Why the trial ended off or was stopped. Okay, I can follow 14B, so 14A. Yes, between May 18, 2015 and September 30, 2016. Baseline data 15. A table showing baseline demographic and clinical characteristic for each group. The table 1, baseline characteristic of participant for primary screening arms. Number analyzed for each group, number of participants, the denominator include in each analysis and whether the analysis was by original assigned group. Yes, the denominator was the number of women tested with a valid result at baseline. Okay, outcomes and estimation. For each primary and secondary outcomes, result for each group, and the estimate effect size and its precision, such as 95%. Okay, dua. 17A. Okay, 17A. Next, this for the 24-month cumulative result in the table 3. 95% CL, 95%, 95%. Okay. Number, I can find the ancillary analysis and harms. Okay, we're gonna move on to discussion. Limitation number 20, trial limitation, addressing sources of potential bias. imprecision, and if relevant, multiply of analysis. Okay, sorry. This is the what is accumulative of 17A. 17A. This 17A. This limitation. Okay, I found the limitation, and 29. This trial has substantial implication for China's national screening program. And number 22 is 22. As a simple and low-cost test, Via-Vili has been widely used in rural China, considering that evidence visible to refer all HRHPV positive women to colposcopy. Until this. Okay. And other information, I found the registration and funding. Registration. This is the registration, trial registration. Okay. In the abstract, and funding in information. Okay. Funding or support. The study was funded by the Ministry of Science and Technology of the People's Republic of China, and role of the funder or sponsor, the Ministry of Science and Technology of the People's Republic of China, had no role in the design and conduct of the study. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are any errors. Hope it is useful for you guys, and thank you for Miss Dian for thank you for your knowledge. May you always be healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.